Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Rasmin and today in this video I'm gonna share how you can make a jute mat. We will talk about its use in the end, but now let's check how to make one. First of all, we'll cut out a square from a jute burlap. Here I have cut out a square of 14 cm. Now we'll use a cotton lace to make it prettier. You can use fabric glue to stick the lace, but I will go with stitching. For straight stitches, we will first use pins to pin the lace. If you're liking all my videos, then please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you are new here. Also push that bell icon to get notified for the latest videos. Now we'll stitch the lace with a thread and needle. It was a little bit of harsh while stitching, so make sure you take care. You can use this mat as a prop. Also, it looks great when you use it to keep your plants on the table. Or if you have a business, then you can shoot your products placing on it. It can also be used as a coaster. I'll be using this on my next video, so don't forget to watch my latest videos. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell beside to stay notified for my latest videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.